Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make lemon braid Ghana cornrow. So if you want to learn how I achieved this week, please stay tuned and don't go away. Subscribe if you've not subscribed, give it a thumbs up if it's helpful. My old subscribers, thank you for coming by. So I used cotton 3 for this tutorial. So I will start from where I made the pre-made cornrow. Like, I have a link. I'll be putting a link on the description box where you can go and watch how I achieve all this cornrow. But first of all, I'm going to do one to show you how to make it with just one. So now guys, we'll start sewing in the closure net on the wig cap. This cap, I already used it. I just removed the hair on it for me to use it to do this tutorial. That is why you have some hair on the middle. So I'm going to sew the wig net into the wig cap. After I finished sewing in the closure net, I cut the remaining wig cap under the closure net to make it look so natural and so nice. So after that, I used that is eye pencil. I use it to create a line to make it easier for you as a beginner. I'll use it to create a line on how I'm going to place the cornrows, which is exactly what I'm doing right now with the eye pencil. After I finished putting these lines, I will start sewing in the hair in. I will arrange it. After that, I will start sewing it in. So please guys, watch it carefully. It's so interesting. So if you find it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So let's go.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
After I finish sewing in the hair, I will create some baby hair in the front of the hair side. I use some pieces of the braid to create this. After I crochet it in, finish, I'll trim it off and style it, which I'm gonna show you how I styled it. Like I said before, I finished crocheting it and I use this is edge control. I use an edge control to style the baby hairs in the front. After that, I will now soak it inside the hot water to straighten up the braid. And ta-da! Your wig is ready. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, give it a big thumbs up. Till I meet you guys in my next video, and leave some comment down below on anything you want me to give a try and I will do it. Bye guys, I love you. Mwah. Bye.